Good morning, Jagdish. Today we are going to present a product called Wi-Fi router UPS. In association with the Catyan Group, we are promoting this product. To know more details about the product, either you can refer this Wi-Fi router UPS.com, or you can see more details on Catyan Group website. Also, they have a marketplace where you can directly do the purchase online there itself, and the product will be shipped from India to anywhere in the world. And In terms of the features, this is the product which we are the manufacturer of. So basically, what it will do is it can give a battery backup for your Wi-Fi routers, modems, or any device which can operate on 12 volt under 2 amps of current rating. So basically, what it can give is it can give a power backup for two minimum of 4 hours of power backup for Wi-Fi routers, and if it is a set-top box, it can give a power backup of around 2.5 to 3 hours. So and we have a different variant of the product. One we have a power backup for 4 hours. The other variant of the product where you can get the power backup for 8 hours. So apart from that, this particular hardware will have an inbuilt intelligent battery management system. So basically, it can take care of your charging activities. So when I say charging activity, it can take care of when the cells are getting overcharged or it goes under voltage. So there is an inbuilt hardware which can protect those units by disconnecting the power supply from the charging or the discharging side. So apart from that, if by mistakenly if there is a short circuit happen, so the device will make sure that nothing happens to the hardware and nothing hazardous happens to the human being as well. So those intelligence is already built into this hardware to take care of those kind of hazardous issues which will happen from the hardware unit. So apart from that, in terms of installations, if you see, it is just a plug and play. You will have a normal router at home. So what you have to do is you have to take out the power adapter and connect it to one side of our unit. The other out unit you have to take it from our power adapter and you have to connect it to your wireless routers. So it will hardly take 30 seconds for you to do the installations. And the overall weight of the product should be around 250 grams. It will not be more than that. And just for a reference for people to understand how the product will look like, so this is our hardware which is built inside this unit. Along with this, you will have a different set 3 18650 lithium ion cells is connected on the board. So basically, these three cells will jointly give you a voltage up to 12 volt, and it is rated for 2 amps of current rating. And this is the positive and negative output which will be connected on the other side, which gives the power back to your wireless devices. So this is all about the product.